Let's meet the Nuwave Smart Mug. Inside the box, the Nuwave Smart Mug comes with an owner's manual, a quick start guide. To set up the device, remove the plastic wrapping from around the charging base, as well as the plastic wrapping from around the mug. Next, remove the mug lid from the mug. Then, take out the warning notice inside the mug. The Nuwave mug also comes with a filter lid, a USB-C power plug, and a USB-C to USB-C cable.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.